Welcome back. In real-world data, you may encounter dates and time stored in separate fields, perhaps one column for the date and another for the time. To perform time-based calculations or conversions, you must merge these into a single datetime object. This section shows you how to use the datetime.combine class method. 1. Using datetime.datetime.combine . This is a class method that takes exactly two arguments, a date object and a time object. It then returns a new single datetime object with the components of the first object and the time components of the second. This is a simple way to merge date and time components in Python. 2. Modifying components with .replace . Once you have a datetime object, you may need to adjust only a few components, perhaps setting the time to midnight or correcting the year. The .replaced instance method allows you to create a new datetime object based on the original, substituting only the fields you specify. The original object is unchanged, and the remaining components are carried over to the new object. 3. Extracting and combining components. A scenario is taking the current date and setting the time to exactly midnight. You can do this by first calling the .date method on the .now object to get the current date part, and then combining that date part with a new, manually created time object representing midnight. This shows the flexibility of combining methods for precise time manipulation. To summarize, you can now build and modify datetime objects from different pieces. Our next lecture 25.05, Sorting Dates. See you there.